Hello everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to do another quick video of what just came out of my tumbler. We just did a bunch of, these are going to be refrigerator magnets. This is the top part of our hollow handled knives. And this is pretty much what we do. We try not to waste anything. And to do that, we turn this into our refrigerator magnet, and we turn this end into the stem, or as the stem, into one of our bud vases. So the only thing that was wasted was the shavings to cut these apart, and they all just went through the tumbler. With these, you have to tumble them at least twice because they are nasty on the inside. The water will come out super black. So normally I'll run my Dawn in there the first time, and whenever you dump out the water, all of these will look darkened, like black, like they have grease on them. Put the Dawn in there again, a nice healthy bit, and tumble them again, and whenever they come out they'll be nice and shiny. And now ready for get the magnets glued on. And these I'll have put aside for excuse me, the next time I make bud vases. Alright, I hope you guys all have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the little bell so that you can get notifications whenever we post new things. And check in the link below for our other social media outlets.